matter how many times I look at the 3 maps, there's nothing in the next 240 kilometers except a small village at about 120 kilometers from my start point. The next 200 some kilometers is not only no man's land, it's also the most hilly part of my journey. Cycling along the mountains, which means up and down. Early morning still feel with energy. There are all these police cars that they park randomly on the road. But there's nobody inside. I have time to make fun of camels. Hello, camel! How are you guys doing? Then at about 10 AM, the headwind started and never went away. Headwind is strong and now looks like the rain is coming. I don't know what to do now. 6 o'clock. I've done 100 kilometers. Suddenly the rain come down. I'm in the middle of nowhere. So lucky thing has this underpass of a highway. So let's see what happens. It's getting a bit cold with the rain and all. I think I want to put my tent up and just lie down. Then suddenly I saw a pickup truck, wave at them, and they actually stopped and picked me up. As they were going to the village 10 kilometers from where I was, they give me a ride there. The village has no hotel, but I saw an abandoned petrol station. This looks like a good place to camp for the night. Let me go check it out first. Wait a minute. Office door is open. There's definitely a possibility over there. It's clean. Nothing here. Wow, this is definitely good. God, my air mattress up here and sleeping bag, there I go. Okay, I'm gonna go bring my stuff in. The next morning, this is where I set up last night. There was a bed, so I put on my air mattress and voila. Morning coffee. Things really didn't get any better the next day. Then I made a mistake of sending the drone up there to see where I was going. Seeing the terrain ahead of me just depressed the shit out of me. Wind is really strong. Headwind. If I had backwind this strong, I reached already 119 kilometers to my today's end point. And I still need to clear this mountainous area. Up and down, up and down. When trucks have problem going uphill, I don't have a chance. Storm is coming already here. That side sand's already been kicked up. I hope it won't reach me. Holy moly, this is no fun. Oh shit. Then I finally got smart and gave up. Oh, 那边啊 OK 好，谢谢你啊。My OG and I are enjoying a free ride on a pickup truck. 50 kilometers later, I have my 2-hour shower. I think the worst is over, but follow me to Urumqi to find out. See you!